Testimony resumed this morning in the George Zimmerman murder trial. Just moments ago, the woman who helped coordinate the Neighborhood Watch program in the Sanford community where Zimmerman lived testified to what she taught those residents. Our Ryan Raish has been following every moment in court. He joins us live at the Seminole County Criminal Justice Center with other big developments from court this morning. Good afternoon, Ryan.
Yeah, this morning we heard from a couple witnesses, but actually the first hour the jury wasn't even in the courtroom, so the attorneys could hash out another important issue. The state wants the jury to hear other 911 calls that Zimmerman made to show a pattern, but the defense says not so fast.
Hi, I was just calling because we've had a lot of break-ins in our neighborhood recently, and I'm on the Neighborhood Watch.
Before the jury arrived to hear more testimony this morning, the court heard 5 important 911 calls made by George Zimmerman in the months leading up to his deadly encounter with Trayvon Martin.
And there's 2 suspicious characters at the gate of my neighborhood.
The calls sound almost identical. Each one, Zimmerman explains there's been recent break-ins in the neighborhood and wants to report something out of place or suspicious. The defense argues the calls should not be played for the jury because it will only confuse them.
It's not relevant just because the state says it is.
So far, the jury has only heard the one call Zimmerman made the night he shot Martin. If the judge allows his previous calls, it will be a small victory for the state that is trying to show Zimmerman as angry and on a mission.
These calls are relevant. How the defense chooses to spin them is not.
The last call played for the court took place just weeks before the shooting. Zimmerman seemed more cautious.
I don't know what he's doing. I don't want to approach him personally.
Again, the jury was not in the room to hear these calls. Like she's done in the past, Judge Deborah Nelson will review some case law before she makes a ruling on whether the jury will hear these other 911 calls. Live in Sanford, Ryan Raish, ABC Action News.